Everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left, you're looking at our 72-inch combination cocktail station. Okay, so this is going to be a combination cocktail station. Okay, divided into 4 sections. We're going to go ahead and start off by talking about the first one here. This is going to be a bar drain board. Simply, this is where your glassware is placed for drying. Okay, our second compartment over here, this is an ice bin with bottle holders with a liquor display rack. Okay, our third section, you're looking at a blender station with sink. Okay, and our last and fourth section is another liquor display rack. Okay, so this is a combination cocktail station. It is an all stainless steel unit certified by your health department. Certifications are located on these sections. Okay, you may also notice that it does have some white on the front. This is just a protective peel-off sticker. You can go ahead and place this once you receive the unit, just to make sure it doesn't get damaged during shipment. Now I'm going to go ahead and give you measurements, overall measurements of this station. For your length, as I mentioned before, you're looking at 72 inches for your length. For your depth, you're looking at an overall of 29 inches for the depth. And the overall height, you're looking at a total of 33 inches high. Okay, so this is divided into 4 sections. This is a combination cocktail station with legs. Legs are adjustable. Okay, so you may notice one section may be a little higher. You can just adjust those legs so that way they're all on the same level. Okay, so legs are going to be adjustable for each section. This is a 72-inch combination cocktail station. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll have all information for this unit on the website, including the price. If you have any other questions regarding this exact size or maybe another size, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.